Well, okay, friends, I'm back from outside. I want to show you how much I pick of jujube and a couple persimmon. So I got this 3 small persimmon. This is ready to eat and it's very soft. So like I said, this kind of persimmon need to wait until it get very soft before you can eat it, or else you're gonna have a tarty taste like mapakla if you eat it that is not very soft. So I only picked 3 pieces, and I have jujube. This is how much I got today from the last batch. And I still have more in here in the bag. So that is a jujube. I'm going to wash it and put it in the fridge because it tastes more better if it's cold. It tastes more sweeter. They look so nice. It's kind of hard to pick because they right there on top part of the tree. So I have to use my extender of a stick. It's very sweet. So I have to use that extra bag to put what I got today because it's not the one that I got. The basin is not big enough to put all of them. The other day, there's a Korean ladies walk by, and there's one jujube growed outside in our yard beside the road. So they asked if they can have this jujube. Anybody's free to pick outside the yard because I don't want the to come in the backyard because I have honey. If this one damaged like this, it's not good to eat anymore because it's not crunchy and it's not sweet. There's a lot on top. It has the damage because the squirrel eat it too. I waited.